All right, sometimes when you're installing your dryer vents like we got right here, you end up having a long run, and most dryers won't allow you to go over 35 feet. There's penalties for 90s when you put them in the vent system. Today we're going to show you a product that can help you solve that and allow you to go a little bit farther. So today on the Real Property Show, all about dryer venting. All right, guys, so installing dryer vents. So depending on the obstacles, you got trusses in the way, you got certain things up above you where you can't get around, or maybe you're going down and you got to get around some things. You can get too long with your dryer vents. Typically they're about 4 inches, your dryer vent, and most dryers don't go over 35 feet as far as the ducts. They don't want you to go more than 35 feet. And in the code, there's a penalty. So if you use a 90 like this is equivalent to 5 lineal feet of duct work. So if I had a 30-foot run and I threw this in there somewhere, it would put me right to 35. So you gotta calc everything out. So you're gonna measure your vertical, your horizontal, and then any of these 90s that are in there. If you do a 45, it's 2.5 foot penalty. So you gotta calc it out depending on the 45s, 90s, and that. So one solution that I found here that I liked, this is a product by InOvate. It's called the Dryer-Ell. And this actually this counts as only 1.5 foot, whereas but I get 90-degree turn. So same turn rate, the same amount of turn, 90 degrees, but this is only 1.5 foot and this is 5. So I've picked up 3.5 feet. I can go 3.5 feet further using this Dryer-Ell. So it's just a long sweep. It measures about 18 inches. And you'll see here it says 0 penalty or 0 run length penalty. So it's a cool product. I think I paid like 20 bucks, maybe it was $29 for this. And it's a 90-degree long-term dryer elbow. So we're actually going to take out, we put a couple of these in, and there's 2 of them in order to get through these trusses where we needed to go out the side. We're going to actually remove those, and we're going to put these in here, 2 of these in, which will help the airflow, and it's going to, I guess it shortens the amount of length whenever the inspector comes out here, which we're already under our 35 in this instance, but it should make for a better duct system. So cool little thing that you can get if you got a long run on your ducts, or you just want to improve the system that you can do in your house. So all right, so I hope that was a short video, but I hope you guys learned something. Again, it's a Dryer-Ell, part number LT90. So if you'd like more information about building a custom home or an ADU, or even doing a whole house remodel, visit our website at freemansconstruction.com. If you need help with any real estate needs, buying or selling land, or a home too, go to our website at freemansrealty.com. So thanks again for watching.